Hey, beautiful people. Hey, 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 hey. Let's interlock. Let's do some interlock. So, my client, okay, he has instant locks. These, I did them in March of this year, 2023. I did them in March with his natural hair. No extensions. No extensions. This is all his natural hair. And you see how they're already budded? I did it the crochet. I used my crochet pin, my crochet needle, and I did the instant locks. Okay, so that's the method I use on his natural hair. This is all his natural hair, and we are going to do, so he has been doing interlocking since I started, and I'll be using the eco black seed and flaxseed gel. My previous video, you will see that I mentioned some of the pros on this gel. It's thick, but it's thick, good consistency, keeps the flyaways and walkaways and walkaways intact. So that's exactly what we want. We want a sleek look at the end. All right. So this method, I did it in previous videos before. This interlock method that I'll be doing. So yeah. And his hair is really strong for like March. 8 months since I've done this. And the video is up on my channel. I will link it. I will put it as a card. So yeah, I will put it as a card, so you will see, and I will put it on my end screen. So yeah, the locks, they're pretty strong for 8 months. They look like he started them like really small, like really short, and then they grew into this. Listen, instant lock, I would always recommend instant lock with the crochet needle thing. You don't have to wait. No waiting period at all. It's like instantly we have the dreadlocks without waiting. Any other method, you have to wait until it start budding and whatever is like that. So most of my clients, most people don't have that patience, and if you're one of those persons and you looking for instant dreadlock, message me. So I'll be using my crochet pin, and I'll be pulling it through but one direction, and I'll start at the top and all the way down. And as you can see, it looks like just like a retwist. See that? See how it looks? So when it grows, it's not gonna grow with any tin. It's not gonna grow with any tinning spots or any sinking areas in his logs. It's gonna grow normal, like a regular retwist, so to speak. Yeah. So yeah, he has been using my oil. I'm thinking it's the argan oil or the rosemary oil in his hair. He has really well, his hair grows really well. His hair has been washed prior this retwist. So yeah, any protective style that you're gonna do, always wash your hair, and always wash your hair before you do that protective style. If you're gonna leave that protective style for weeks, months in, I'll suggest you wash your hair. Before you add products and style your hair. Okay. So this is how it's looking. It's that's the position and that's the shape that I am going for, that he wants. So yeah, so I normally like twist the flyaways around, and if you want, you can kind of like use your two palms, and then you twist the locks. You twist the locks and you roll it if you want. So this is just take his locks is so healthy. It's really healthy, and it's I know it can be extremely hard work taking care of locks. It is hard work. You may figure, well, it's not hard work because I have locks, but listen, you can't just have locks and leave them, let them do their own thing, or they will grow their own way. They will grow their own shape and size. They want to look uniform. They will look unkept. So you have to always keep coming back to a professional to get your locks done. Okay, so this is it, and this is the roll I'm talking about. You can spin it like that, and that's how it looks. You have to tell those flyaways, okay, you need to be in here, and I'm gonna put you in here, and you need to stay there. And at the very front, he wants them laying on his forehead. And yeah, so it's a super easy interlock. This method, it's super easy. You can watch and learn. Let me know what other method you use, what method you use to do your interlock. If you normally do interlock by yourself, on yourself, if you're a stylist and you have clients and you do interlock, let me know if you tried this way before, and let me know what other methods, what method you use. Leave your comments, and subscribe. It's free, okay? You can just subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload my valuable videos. Lots of information, valuable information, and all of that. Now, if you don't want to wait on your locks to grow, I do installation. I do make and install lock extensions. So if you think, well, your locks are too short and you need a little length, I make 4 inches to 22 inches long. Yeah, you can check out my Instagram and my previous videos if this is the first video that you watch at the end. So this is how the interlock is looking. I almost said install. I didn't install anything. I just interlock his hair. This is his natural hair. This is his natural hair without any extensions. My mousse, I always use a Vigor olive oil with the multivitamins and antioxidants, all the good stuff. We're gonna put back in all those moisture because he washes hair. He would wash out most of the natural oils, and let me just help him put them back. So this is the process that I use. I use the LCO method, where I add my moisture first, and then I'm gonna add my oils on my oil sheen last. Okay, so and then I'm gonna dry to kind of like get that mousse sucked in, help the hair to suck it in. I could just leave it like this, leave it like that, and it will just do its own thing and it will evaporate on its own. But I'm gonna help him do that because he's not leaving my chair like this. So yeah, just a little dry with the blow dryer, and then yeah, so we dried, mousse gone, and then I'm gonna add my Cantu oil sheen. It's a deep conditioning spray and it smells really good. Okay, so we're gonna add that. You know that it's gonna seal in all my moisture, all the moisture in his locks. You know, yeah, his locks is they are looking so good, nice and tight, not too tight. They are manageable, but they are tight enough. So we're gonna we closed in all of the new growths. We got rid of the new growths and what's not. So yay! So thank you always for watching my video, and I'll catch you in my next video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, share my video, share it on your WhatsApp, share it on your Facebook, share it on your Instagram, share it with your mommy, your daddy, your sisters, your cousins, people in other countries. Share it. We want to go worldwide. Okay, so this is how it looking. Sleek. Yep. slick. Yep, and this is the end result. My photos, you will see the photos. Yeah, so yeah. And wait, and they're so firm. They already budded after 8 months. They already budded already, and they're super strong. Super strong. So yeah, thumbs up to the crochet method. Yeah, so peace out.